Today we are going to introduce the Cheetah 16-inch Cotton Catch Lawnmower with a 127 cubic centimeter COHE engine, solid pressed steel body, and a lightweight fabric catcher. Let's unbox the lawnmower. It comes in very beautiful packaging. Now we can take out the grass catcher. It looks like a fabric-made grass catcher. Next, we can take out the paperwork. Here is also a spark plug spanner, which we can use to remove the plug. Now we can take out the lower handles. This is the upper handle with the throttle control cable. Here are the handle knobs, 2 bolts, and cable clamps. We can tighten the 2 nuts like this. We can use the spanner in order to fix the nut. Next, we can fix the lower handles like this. Now we can fix the grass collector. We can use the height adjustment of the lawnmower. It allows the lawn to be cut at different lengths. Set the cutting height by adjusting the height lever. I thought this included the engine oil, but there is no engine oil included. We can use SAE 30 engine oil. Remove the dipstick, wipe it with a clean cloth, and fill the new engine oil. Please also check the instruction manual. The instruction manual says SAE 30 recommended oil. Please don't forget, you must fill 500 milliliters. I bought a 1-liter oil can from Bunnings. I use Valvoline Power Armour, 10W30 engine oil, 4-stroke. For cold starts, I recommend 15W40 oil. I use the supplied cap to fill engine oil into the machine properly. This is the fuel cap. We can add petrol from here. The manual also says everything about machine safety. I use Unleaded 91 petrol for this machine. Safety is the most important thing. I use leather gloves for safety, and here I also use safety goggles as well. Here is the red-colored knob to push the primer. When we start for the first time in a day, we should press this knob 3 times. Then we can easily start the engine. We can easily move the machine. It's very easy to cut the grass. This is a lightweight machine at a very cheap price. It is the cheapest model in Australia. I recommend this machine for medium-level yards. Looks like everything is good. Thank you for watching.